So I've been seeing kawaii collectors. How does hand sanitizer make slime? I was like, should I check and make a video? So I'm gonna check if there's any PVA in this. I don't even know what PVA means, but I heard that's what you can use to make slime activate. But they have Astif thing. I don't think they have PVA in this. Oh wow, it's only like a beta lab. I use like that much. They don't have PVA in this. Like literally, like you guys can pause the video and read this. Is that better? Focus. It won't focus. You can just pause the video and read this.